Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone doesn't ring on incoming calls, and this is what we have to do or how we can fix it if you're having this particular trouble. But if the reason why this is not receiving is you might have accidentally turned it on or kept your phone on a silent mode. So if you're having the devices which is not the latest flagships like 15 Pro and all those things, if you're in the older versions, you can see over here we are having a button over here on this side. So this is actually in the silent mode, so you have to just change this. So as you can see right now you're out from the silent, so this is what we have to do as the first step. And also to the latest model users like on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and all, what you need to be having a button, you just need to press and hold to get out from the silent over here. That is what you have to do. So this is the first and famous step. Next thing is all about just make sure that you're not on the DND. Over here as you can see I'm on the DND. For some reasons if it might have accidentally turned it on, try turning off the DND. So what happens is you'll be receiving all kind of codes and notifications, and this is very important as well, right? And once you do this up, the DND, what you need to do is the next one, you have to go to the settings here. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the sound and haptics. Make sure the ringer volume over here is set into maximum. For some reasons, for some users, they might have set into the lowest one. So even though someone is calling, they're trying to call you, but you're not able to listen to it. So make sure that you keep it on the maximum volume here, right? And now we just need to go back afterwards. Just keep scrolling down and navigate to the apps. Now search here for phone app. Just type here for phone app. Now click on the phone. Now from here, as you can see, there is an option called announce call. Click on this. So if this being set into never, that is a reason. So even if you're on the the silent or something, it's not going down. So try keep this on always. So whenever you receive any kind of also this announcement starts getting, so you'll be able to notify it with this, and this is what we have to do. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.